Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this video, we'll show you how to wire the Modbus SHT sensor to monitor temperature and humidity. We start by setting up the Modbus TTL converter. The first step is to wire the RX to pin 6 and the TX to pin 7. Next, we connect the GND of the converter to the GND of the PIERRE. For the VCC, it needs to be 5 volts, and it's very important to wire it to the 5-volt output on the PIERRE. 12 volts will damage the system. We connect the VCC to the 5-volt output from the PIERRE. Now we need to wire the Modbus SHT sensor. This sensor has 4 wires. The red wire is for 12 volts, which we connect. The black wire is for GND, and we connect it here. Next, we wire the green wire to the B terminal of the Modbus. The yellow wire goes to the A terminal. Once everything is wired up, we adjust the wires for neatness. Now we power up the system. As you can see, the power light, Modbus light, and PIERRE light are all on. We then open the Partner app and select our controller. Next, we go to the Configurable I/O section. We click on Add the Modbus I/O. This step is needed for any Modbus device. We name it Modbus, then choose the TX and RX pins. For TX, we select pin 6, and for RX, we select pin 7. After that, we click Save. Now we go to the Devices tab, click on it, and then choose Add New Modbus I/O. Here, we select the Modbus SHT sensor and name it accordingly. We also set the address to 1, which is the default for this sensor. If you're adding multiple sensors, each will need its own unique address. After selecting the address, click Save and then Done. Next, we add it to the dashboard. We open the dashboard and select the Academy dashboard to display the sensor readings. Now, let's go to the user app, and as you can see, the temperature and humidity readings appear immediately. The readings update as we adjust the temperature, and everything works smoothly and quickly. And that's how simple it is to wire up the Modbus SHT sensor. That's it. Thanks for watching PIERRE Academy.